What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chris Cage coming at you 2 times, and it's time now for another all-out race. We are racing NASCAR Basics for the second time as we're doing race number 2 of NASCAR Basics. We already crowned ourselves our first ever winner, which is the number 45 Sprint 1999 Monte Carlo, as he beat out the number 5 Kellogg's Monte Carlo in order to win, as well as shutting out the number 36 Skittles machine as well. As always, if you want to buy something from my besties, a small business gift shop, be sure you check out the Sunflower Gifts. The link is in the description below. With that being said, it's time now to begin round number 1 of the second race for NASCAR Basics for Hot Wheels All Out 10-year anniversary edition. All right, y'all, it's round number 1, and it's time for a word from our finish line.
Hot Wheels racers, take your lane.
Your first 6 lined up and ready. Let's roll. We're going to start with lane 1 as number 50 character Counts Taurus gets the win.
Winner, lane 2.
In lane number 2, your winner is number 21 Sicko Thunderbird. Going to lane 5, your winner is the number 91 Spam Monte Carlo.
Winner, lane 3.
Thanks for coming, number 5 Monte Carlo. Your winner is the number 99 X-Side Taurus.
Winner, lane 1.
Going to lane 1, and your winner is the number 30 Pennzoil Pontiac.
Winner, lane 5.
Going to lane 5, a whole bunch of mumble jumble stuff happened here, but it goes to number 32 Tide Give Kids the World Taurus. Taurus is winning this time around. Your winner in lane 3 is number 94, McDonald's Thunderbird. Second to the last race, we're going to do something with this lone car right here that we're going to incorporate in this all-out tournament year.
Winner, lane 5.
Another Taurus winning, the number 12 Mobile 1 Taurus. So here's the final car. Now we're going to introduce something unique here. So we're going to do a solo run for this car. The objective for this car is he has to stay in his track, stay on the track all fours. Like, do not have a wheel hanging anywhere. And also remain upright. If he doesn't do any of those things, he is out. With that being said, let's begin the solo run.
Winner, lane 2.
And as you see, all fours are not on the track. He's literally hanging off the track a little bit, so he is out. Which means it's going to be even heat, even 8. Round 1 is in the books, and round 2 begins now. Alright, round 2 begins. Just 2 heats. Lanes 1 and 6 are not active, so let's go.
Winner, lane 2.
It will go to the number 32, Tide Give Kids the World Taurus. Alright, let's see who will face off against the number 32, Tide Give Kids the World Taurus. It will be a Taurus on Taurus race. Battle of the Tauruses. Number 32 versus number 99. This matchup in the finals to determine the all-out finalists is going to happen right now. Alright, welcome to the finals. One of these two is going to be the Hot Wheels all-out winner for NASCAR Basics, race number 2. Let's go.
Winner, lane 2.
The first winner is number 99 Exide Taurus.
Winner, lane 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a split as number 32 Tide Taurus gets the win.
Winner, lane 3.
The 99 Exide Taurus gets the win.
Winner, lane 3.
And we got a second split. It's time for the advantage run to begin. First one to win back-to-back is your winner. Let's go.
Winner, lane 1.
Advantage Exide.
Winner, lane 2.
As you saw the finish line say lane number 2, here is your winner. And is the finalist for Hot Wheels All Out NASCAR Basics race number 2. It is the number 99 Exide Taurus. I don't know what else to say except for the fact that we finally got a Taurus winning on this all-out race, as it beats out everybody, including the number 5 Kellogg's Monte Carlo that was in the finals the last time around. So you should already know that when these go around a second time, it's either go big or go home. And that is exactly what the 99 Exide Taurus did. It gone big, while the rest of them, well, they went home because they can't handle the speed that this car is pulling out. We'll have to see which one of these two is going to be the fastest NASCAR Basics car of the year, as these two will face in the finals for 2023 as a whole. If I'm still here. I'm pretty sure I'll still be here, but you never know. This world is crazy at this moment. So, yeah, that's it. And that'll do it for today's Hot Wheels All-Out race. Next time that we will see you, we will be racing Mario Karts for the first time with the first ever race. For this year, obviously, because you raced them before. So yes, that'll do it for today's race. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're brand new watching, be sure you subscribe, and also turn on the notifications bell as well. It's your boy Chris Cage, and I'm coming at you 2 times, and we will see you at the next video.